Good morning, guys. David Stem, Yacklash Fishing and founder, North American Kayak Anglers Association. It is a absolutely gorgeous morning here in Southeast Florida. Got a few mullet in the tank, got my trusty voodoo shrimp, and a select few other lures tied on. We're going to see what we can get done today. This is the maiden voyage for me as far as recording fishing videos. So we'll see how that goes. I'm just using a single camera today, my GoPro Hero 12. I have two Tacticam Solo Extremes for the over the shoulder and the front view, but not everything came in from Amazon to make those operational for today's mission. So we'll start small, which any wise man would. It's not really smart to buy a bunch of equipment and try to figure it out as you go. Anyone who's smart would just start small and master that and work their way up. But as anyone who knows me can attest, the word smart is not thrown around a lot in conversations that are describing me. So I've never been one to wade in slowly. I like to just jump in the deep end and learn to swim. So that's what I'm going to try to do. But today's mission is to see if we can get some snook around the bridges and out under some docks. I have seen some tarpon rolling in this area. I pass this bridge at least twice a day, and I've seen some tarpon rolling near the bridge, so we'll see. I've got some big mullet, I've got some small finger mullet, and like I said, I've got my usual arsenal of artificials. So we're gonna have a good day no matter what. Hope you enjoy. Gonna be a lot of boats on the river today. Come on, thump it, baby, thump it. Give me that telltale thump. I would assume that the fish are gonna be out here, and when I say out here, I mean, I think, well, there's one hit it on the fall. There's one that hit it on the fall. I don't know what it is. Feels like a pretty decent fish, whatever it is. I don't know what this is. What is this? This might, I really don't know. He's trying to stay here near the, whoa. Oh my goodness, okay, all right. That's why it didn't feel right. Look at that. Look at that. A grouper. A little grouper. What a beauty. What an absolute beauty. And he smoked that little voodoo mullet. I mean, smoked it. Don't worry, baby. I got you. I got you. Not to worry. Not to worry. No, what a gorgeous fish, though. Are you kidding me? Wow. All right, let's get him back. Let's get him back, so. Whoa. Goodbye. Well, that was fun. What a way to break the ice, huh? I mean, you could not ask for a more beautiful morning. You just couldn't. realized that I forgot my water jug in the car. And I'm gonna have to go back and get it. Number one, because I'm close, and number two, because it's South Florida. It's gonna be hot. I'm gonna get thirsty. And there's one. There's one. Hey, there we go. There's a Snooky on the bridge. I'm gonna especially work up a thirst reeling these beasts in all day. All right. Hey, we'll take it. It breaks the ice. Nice little Snook. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. I'm gonna let you go. Don't worry. Come here. Oh, easy, easy. Now don't do that. Why you gotta go and do all that? Hey, did you spit the hook for me? Look at you. Look at you. You nice fella. There you go. All right. That is what we came to do. The end of the bridge there. Should be a Snook. That almost felt like a little thump right there. Could have been a little snapper. Like something. Oh, baby! There was something that was coming up for it. Daggone. I got a little impatient and didn't finish the cast. I don't know what that fish was, but I know I would have liked to have caught it no matter what it was. Oh, there was one that hit it right there. There's one here. He got it that time. Okay. I don't know what this is. It's not... what is it? Oh, Snook. I hooked him under the... He swirled on it, I guess. All right. But, ouch, that does not look comfortable. So let me help you out of that. Let's see here. All right. Now we got a little chafe, but I think we can get another one. Come here, little fella. No, no, now, stop that foolishness. I'm gonna let you go. There you go. Okay. See if we can get his big brother out of there. That was kind of cool. I don't know that that was the fish that hit it, or tried to hit it as I was pulling it out of the water on the previous cast, but you know, you never know. These little Snook can be awfully aggressive. And you catch a lot of little Snook with you know, I'm using a 3.5 inch voodoo rattle shrimp, and you will catch a lot of Snook that size. And you know, I guess there's some guys that target the big fish and don't like that, but I'll catch them all day. There was another one right there. I will catch them all day. But trust me, I have caught slots and above slots on this shrimp. So big fish will hit it. There's one. Little fella. Oh. Man, you didn't bite like you were little though, did you? You bit like you weighed 12 pounds. Come on now. Oh. Golly, right in the tongue. That's always the hardest hook to get out. Come on. There we go. Oh, sorry. Sorry, little fella. I'm gonna get you. Don't worry. Come here, come here, come here. There we go. Of course, chafed up my line, of course, because that's what they do. Oh. Now there, right out in front of me, about 40 yards, was a tarpon rolling. And this is about the time that I saw him the other day, coming across the bridge. And so I've got a heavy setup. I'm gonna put a big mullet on and get out there and see if I can get bit. This would be awesome if I can hook up. There was definitely a tarpon rolling out there. I just saw it, so let's see. Got some couple of bigger mullet in the tank. So let's just see if we can get one to eat this mullet. Okay, so I threw a mullet out where I saw the tarpon roll, but no takers, so I'm back to fish the bridge, and I'll keep an eye out for another tarpon roll, and if I see one, we'll go chase it. Now this, as I've said, these corners I really like these corners. I don't know, it's just seem to be a good spot sometimes. And sometimes you can pattern, you know, the angles and which direction the fish want the bait, and that's why it's really important to make a mental note of everything, you know. I mean, we're fishing, we're having fun, and we're casting, but you know, when you get a strike, make a note of where the fish was, which direction you were casting, where your boat positioning was. And sometimes if you do that, you can put it all together and just have a banner of a day. Sometimes it's random, but sometimes it's not. And sometimes they just like it a certain way. I can't tell you how many times I've fished docks and thrown up under a dock 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 times and nothing. And I just went around and changed the angle of the cast. That's all I did. Same bait, same cadence, same retrieve. I just simply changed the angle of the bait, and I started catching fish out from under the dock, and they're just finicky like that sometimes. So, you know, the more fish you catch, the more fun you're gonna have, the better day you're gonna have. So give yourself every possible advantage you can, and always make and keep those mental notes of what you're doing, and every time. Obviously. There's one. There's one. Oh, okay, well, he was right there on the corner, right where he was supposed to be. Oh, there's something there. I don't know what it was, but there was definitely something there. Another one hit it. Those could be little jacks. Hard to say. Hard to say. Let's see here. See if we can't get hooked up on one to just see what they are. There's one. Oh, it's a snook. Okay. Okay, well, all right. Little fella. All right. Might be more in there. Easy, 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 easy. Let me get you taken care of, and then I'll get back in there. Come here. Oh, 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 there's some bait running. Okay, maybe we have something in here. Okay. Get some of that bait. Tell you the truth. Oh, oh, oh. Boy, there is a big fish on this wall. A big fish on this wall. Oh my. There's something big up there. Oh, baby. I don't know what it is, but it's a good one. It's a bigger one than I really wanted, but I think there's some big fish in here. I know that fish over there was big. So let's just see what we can get done. There. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, 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 there he is. There he is. There he is. He may have picked him up. I think he did. I think he did. I think that fish picked him up. I think that fish picked him up. Oh, did he get him? No, he didn't get him. Oh, no. No. Daggone. Come back and get him, please. I thought for sure he had him. Here. Still hadn't made the shot I want, but there's one. Oh, that's a little bitty one. Little bitty one. Well, it was the right flavor. Little snook. I guarantee you're not the only one up and under there. Guarantee you that. And I hope there's some bigger ones up and under there. That boat cast a big shadow too. Let's see if there's anything up and under there. Yep, there was. Right there where he's supposed to be. See, right under that boat. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, he might not have even chafed the line. Wow. Wow. No, he didn't. All right. Thank you, little buddy. Put down the power pole. See if there's some fish under there. Yep, there is. That was a... He did not thump it. I think he just had the tail, actually. Just kind of picked it up. That wasn't a... It was a snook, but it wasn't a typical snook bite. It was about the same size. Fun size, but nothing to write home about. Well, that is welcome to how not to cast. I'm your host. You would think that I was trying to do that at this point. Maybe I should say I was, to save what little bit of dignity I have left. Guys, we are coming up on one of my absolute favorite things to fish when I'm snook fishing. These jet ski docks. These snook love to get it under these things and lay down because, again, they're out of the sun, they're in the shade, they can ambush. It's I love these things. Not today, not today, but that's all right. I'll be back, and maybe next time. Oh my. Well, maybe I spoke too soon. Man, that looks like the Bat Cave, only for snook. Oh, there was one. Yeah, what's that? Oh, a catfish. Well, listen, an icebreaker is an icebreaker. Got me all out of position here. Don't thinky. Huh. Guess it wasn't the Bat Cave, it was the Cat Cave. Thank you. I'll be here all week. There's one. There's one. All right. Whew. I'm beginning to think there was no more snook in here. Nope. Quick release. I got no problem with that. See if he's got a buddy with him. Yep, he did. He did. Oh, look at that. A little mangrove snapper. Nice. Well, let's try something different. Let's see what I've got in the new stuff, not in the old stuff. Let's see. Ooh, that looks like a winner. I like these little baits. I really do. These nomad bird traps. A lot of wobble. A lot like a rattle trap for you bass guys, but they're got a soft body. This one's smaller than what I usually throw, but it's what I have, so. Ouch. Well, these have some little tiny hooks. I don't know. I did not know I bought one this small. I normally buy the larger size, but maybe we'll give it a shot. See if this works. Well, let's see. My back hook was a little discombobulated there. All right, let's see here if we can get one to bite this little thing. I really like them to be close. Oh, well, okay, first cast. Maybe this was the right decision, guys. That's a better snook than I've been catching today. Oh my! Come here, baby. Whoa, come here. Come here. Whoa! Oh no, he got away. I should have put the net down and gotten up some slack, and boy, these hooks are so small. But hey, that is a good sign. That is a really good sign there. it's entirely possible that it was less the bait and more just about being in the right area, you know. But that's why I wanted to fish these pilings down here again and just kind of put that theory to the test. There's one. Okay, that's a better fish, a better snook. Let's see if I can land one. I think it. Let's see here. Come here, baby. Yeah. Oh no! Daggone! That's. I mean, unfortunately, there's just. Boy, these hooks are so small and you just can't put any pressure on these fish. Daggone it. Well, that was another good one. So, I don't think I have a bigger size either. Well, guys, it's about 3 o'clock and it's hot. And I'm heading in. I fished for the last hour and a half under the bridge. Had a couple of good snook on a really small Ultrex Vibe. Lost both of them at the top. Hopefully I caught them on film anyway. Caught another little bitty snook as I was coming out on the voodoo shrimp on the bridge, but that was about it. All in all, you know, it wasn't a great day, but it was a good day to be out. It started off really well, I thought, this morning. It started off a lot like last week when I was here, and the difference is that once I left the bridge in the morning, I caught a lot of fish under the docks, and today that just wasn't the case, and I have no idea why. But it was a good learning experience. I'll go home and journal this trip and make notes of what worked and what didn't and all the conditions, so that when I have these conditions again, I have a pretty good game plan of what might work or what has worked in the past. But I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, this was my first attempt at filming a fishing video, so I've got a lot to learn about managing GoPro batteries, and I've got a lot to learn about a lot of things. But you know, hey, you got to start somewhere, and hopefully there's nowhere to go but up from here. But if you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a lot of things on my Yak Lash channel and of course North American Kayak Anglers Association. We're going to feature content from creators all over the country, some up and comers, and it's going to be a lot of different styles, a lot of different target species, and it's going to be fun. So hopefully you'll head on over there and like and subscribe to that channel as well. So until next time, guys, the earth is 3/4 water, so spend 3 times as much time fishing as you do working.